When you're cleaning big drains, you don't need any more water problems than you already have, like messy, wet floors and a leaky motor. That's why RIDGID developed a unique fluid management system for the new K-5208 drain cleaner. It helps keep your workspace clean and dry and your motor working perfectly for as long as you need it. The K-5208 clears clogged drain lines from 2 inches to 8 inches and up to 200 feet in length using 7/8 inch and 1 1/4 diameter sectional cable in institutional, commercial, and residential settings. After clearing an obstacle, as the cable is retracted, there's bound to be some wet debris that comes up with it. The K-5208 catches all that material in this drip tray so it doesn't end up making a mess in your work area. Then, when the cable's been retracted, you simply hold the K-5208 over a bucket, pull the plug, and drain all the liquid out. It's that easy. Behind the scenes, the K-5208 features a number of stop gaps in the system internally to prevent leaks and to keep water or fluids from getting into the motor. That means greater durability and longer motor life. The innovative fluid management system is just one of many advanced features on RIDGID's new K-5208, the most powerful and compact sectional drain cleaner on the market, and you can take it anywhere. And like every tool from the brand with nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the RIDGID K-5208 sectional drain cleaner is tough, durable, and dependable, and comes with a lifetime warranty.